Creating cross-sections is quick and easy using Pebble Geo. First, load your project. Then, go to the list of borehole locations in the left-hand panel. Use the selection checkboxes for each location to start building up the list of boreholes, trial pits, or dynamic probe locations that you want to add to the cross-section. As soon as you first check on one borehole, here we've checked on BH89, a rudimentary plan view or map view window will appear, and the borehole you've selected will be highlighted in red and labelled. If you hover over different locations in the panel on the left, you will see crosshairs and the borehole will be highlighted in green to confirm which location you're hovering on. If I click a second location, a new button appears, Publish Cross-Section. A Publish Options dialog will appear, similar to the one you get when publishing logs, except with some slightly different configuration settings for the graphical output. The various settings available in cross-sections will be the subject of another video. For now, I'm just going to click Save to get to my first cross-section PDF. There's the usual warning that PDFs with similar names may be overwritten, and the PDF will be produced and automatically opened in the PDF viewer. Let's take a quick look at the section, although going over the different configurations and layout options for the cross-section will be covered in the next video. Towards the top will be the area for the header information, which also in the case of cross-sections includes vertical scale and horizontal scale. The horizontal scale is an option, so if it's unchecked, it will say not scaled. In the center is the scaled cross-section itself, drawn as stratum sticks. By default, these will pull on the geol ledge code and they'll be displayed with colors, as we believe colors are a good way to represent cross-sections, but you can turn this off in the configuration options. Against each stick, there'll be potentially water levels if you've got that data, depths in meters down the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, you'll get a data field. You can control which data field gets displayed here. In this case, we're looking at the core main material type from the geology, but you can equally switch on formation name, test results like SBT, for example. Further down the cross-section, there'll be labels for each stick for chainage in meters, so that's distance along section, and real-world elevation, meters above OD. The actual outputs for these labels might vary depending on the availability of XY values for the boreholes and ground level values, which if are missing, it will be impossible to add chainage and or elevation. And finally, at the bottom of the page, there's a legend which is driven by the codes found within the actual section itself, and symbology for water level, rest and strike. To find out how to control the output of cross-sections in more detail, watch the next video. In this video, we've seen how to make a basic cross-section with 2 boreholes in it, but you can obviously add multiple boreholes just by checking on additional locations in the selection panel on the left-hand side, and just republish the section. For more info, watch the next video.